Here are home remedies to get rid of corn silk on toes permanently. Corn silk are small circles of hard, thickened skin that develop when the skin is exposed to excessive pressure or friction. Corn silk most often develop on the feet, especially on the tops and sides of the toes, soles of your feet and even between the toes. They can also develop on other body parts. My first remedy is white vinegar. White vinegar is another excellent tried and tested remedy for corn silk on the feet. The high acidity level of white vinegar helps soften the hard skin. Plus, its antifungal and antibacterial properties reduce the risk of infection. To make this remedy you will need 1 part of white vinegar. And you will need 3 parts of fresh and pure water. Before going to bed, mix 1 part white vinegar with 3 parts water. Dab this diluted vinegar onto the corn. Cover the area with an adhesive bandage and leave it on overnight. The next morning, exfoliate the thickened skin with a pumice stone or emery board. Apply some olive oil or coconut oil to keep the area moisturized. Use this remedy once daily until the corn comes out. My next remedy is baking soda. Baking soda is a natural exfoliating agent that will help get rid of the dead skin covering the corn, which in turn helps the healing process. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties that will help keep your skin free from infections. To make this remedy, first thing you will need 3 tablespoons of baking soda. And the second thing you will need a basin of warm water. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda to a basin of warm water. Soak your feet in this solution for 10 to 15 minutes. Rub the affected area with a pumice stone to remove the dead skin. Another option is to mix together 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a little lemon juice and water to make a paste. Apply it carefully, only on the affected area. Cover it with a bandage and leave it on overnight. The next morning, rinse off the paste with lukewarm water and then exfoliate gently with a pumice stone. My next remedy is garlic. Garlic is a natural antioxidant and hence very helpful in treating corn silk. Also, its antibacterial and antifungal properties will prevent infection. To make this remedy, only thing you will need few garlic cloves. Rub half of a garlic clove on the corn. Let the skin dry, cover it with a bandage and leave it on overnight. The next morning, remove the bandage and wash your feet with warm water. Do this every night until the corn disappears. Alternatively, cut 2 to 3 garlic cloves into small pieces, add a pinch of salt and then make a paste of it. Apply the paste on your corn, secure it with an adhesive bandage and leave it on for 3 days. On the 3rd day, when you remove the bandage, the corn will also come off. If needed, repeat the process. My next most effective home remedy is turpentine oil. Turpentine oil is a strong antiseptic that can help treat corn silk. The oil penetrates into the skin quickly, so the healing time may be faster. For this remedy, only thing you will need some amount of turpentine oil. Wrap ice in a thin cloth and massage the affected area with it for 2 minutes. Pat dry the area and rub some turpentine oil on the corn. Then, put a bandage over it and leave it on overnight. Do this daily before going to bed. Alternatively, melt 1/4 cup of extra virgin coconut oil in the microwave. Mix in 1 tablespoon of turpentine oil and 2 tablespoons of camphor oil. Let the mixture cool. Next, soak your feet in warm water for a few minutes, pat dry and then apply this homemade cream on the corn. Store the rest in an airtight jar. Repeat 2 or 3 times daily. Please subscribe my channel if you want more health and beauty hacks in future.